Now, it's been in the oven for about 3.5 hours, okay? You want to just bring it to a nice boil and slow it up. Pretty hot! You've really got to watch out, it's quite a hot item. Alright, so when the iPhone's all complete, it should look something like that. When your iPhone may be a little bit broken, something like this, I'm going to show you how to fix it in just 5 minutes using everyday items for the oven. First, you want to wash the iPhone thoroughly. Putting it through its paces every day, you've really got to make sure it's nice and clean when it goes in the oven. You want a nice clean phone when it comes out. Okay? If you've got a regurgitating device, put it in the regurgitating device and turn it on for a few minutes. Bring the iPhone out of the water, make sure it's nice and clean. Just put it back in its allocated place like that. Just want to wrap it up in a tissue. And you want to fan bake on 230 degrees for roughly 5 minutes. Just pop that in there. And that should be done. And there it is. Nice new iPhone.